Hello guys, in today's training video, I'm going to show you how to record your screen in Filmora 11. This feature in Filmora is one of my favorite tools to play with because I make use of screen recording for my YouTube videos. So if you want to start recording your screen for training videos, etc., watch this video to the end. So before we go straight into the video, if you are new to the channel, my name is Godwin. On this channel, I make how-to videos, reviews, video editing, and text-to-speech related content. So if you are interested in that kind of stuff, check out my other videos and subscribe to the channel to stay updated on future content. So if you don't have Filmora 11 installed on your computer, check the link in the description to download the latest version of Filmora. Launch Filmora 11 and create a new project. To record the screen of your computer, go to File, click on Record Media, and click Record PC Screen. A window will pop up. Here you can choose the width and height of your screen. The laptop I'm using for this video is a 768p screen, which is HD. You can activate your computer speaker, which allows media played on the computer to be recorded as well. You can also activate your microphone by clicking on the drop and select your mic. Underneath we have the setting. When you click on the drop down, you can choose the folder that you want to save your recordings to. You can choose your frame rate. Mine is set at 30 frames per second, and you can choose the quality of your recording. I recommend leaving it at best to get the fullest quality. You can set timers for your recording. You can also enable mouse clicks in your recording. Under that you have your hotkeys for pausing and resuming recording or starting and ending a recording, and lastly you can toggle on to record your webcam while recording your screen, which is pretty cool. When you are done setting up your recording, click on the red circle to record your screen. To end your recording, press F9 on your keyboard to end recording. Your screen recording will appear on your project media folder. You double-click to preview or drag and drop into the time to preview the recording or make edits to your video. So guys, that's how you record the screen of your computer with Filmora 11. If you found this video helpful, click the subscribe button and bell notification to not miss any of my upcoming videos. And see you guys in the next one. Peace.